Milkfest 2014. How the heck are y'all doing today? Wee. My name is Jack. This guy to my right is Nick. We are late. How dare us? Jesus. It's Hardy to the party. How dare us? Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't have much in the way of a purpose in the life other than to be strange and make the world a slightly more musical. So, today, that is my purpose. So, without further ado, as soon as my number 2 gets done tuning, that could take 5 seconds, 5 days, 5 weeks, or 5 years from now. But we'll never know until we try. All right. So after much ado, much waiting around, my name is Jack, this is Nick, we are Granite Apples, and we're gonna make some joyful noise here. I'm controlling next time. Take ignition and put your helmet on. I'm controlling next time. Commencing countdown, engines on. Take your protein pill and hang out to be with you. Or some other words like that. Ha ha. I'm controlling major time. Really made it great. And the papers want to know whose shirt you wear. Now it's time to leave the capsule if you dare. Listen, now down the ground control. Stepping through the door. And I'm floating in a peculiar way. And the stars look very different today. Here am I sitting in a tin can all across the world. And it turns to blue. There's nothing that I can do. Past 100,000 miles, feeling very scared. And I think my spaceship knows which way to go. Tell my wife I love her very much, she knows. And I'm controlling major time, your circuit's dead. There's something wrong, you need major time. Can you hear me, major time? So that's a good little warm-up song, kind of get us feeling the mood. Hooray! You gonna try that old number 7?
And then hold whoever's on the
It's gonna go in the C sharp. Oh, wait. D something? Forgive me, we're always waiting on number 2. It's okay, I give him fun. He likes all these special effects and weird pedals and wires and batteries and technology. If you notice, I have one technological piece of equipment. I have one fancy box and one really busted up guitar. I have no need for all your effects, sir. He does sound fancy though. Everybody give him a hand for my number 2, my fancy technological number 2. Yeah. Why don't we try this again with the right words? I guess good fast on an altar road. That another was when I told her to. Another money clone like a hand on the fucking rich kids next door. I guess good fast isn't up me. There's a million things on my head I wish I'd seen. I'm just telling you dreams out, just falling apart at the seams. I said thank you, Jack Daniel on number 7. Tennessee whiskey got me drinking a hammer and I can't stay here too long. I can't go away without doing wrong. I said thank you, Jack Daniels on number 7. Tennessee whiskey got me drinking a hammer and my angels still looking good to me. And I'm putting down to the fiery deep. So I'm sitting at the bus till it starts to groove. I'm feeling like an old pair of boots. Tell me what it is that I'm supposed to do, cause I'm swimming in the lake and only halfway through. See the man open wings for a white man wants just put them wings around me. All I wanna do is fall asleep. Why don't you sit down here in the bed with me? I said thank you, Jack Daniels on number 7. Tennessee whiskey got me drinking a hell, and I can't stay here too long. I can't go awake without doing wrong. I said thank you. Oh, number 7, Tennessee whiskey got me drinking a hell, and now you're gonna let everyone dry. You never wake up with the fucking tears in your eyes. So, we're gonna kick it up. I'm gonna do John Henry. I'll play it through one time for you, and then we'll just rock it through. All right. So, I don't know if any of you noticed, but I'm playing a whole lot of covers. Oh, because I'm fancy like that. Ow! As long as we're sticking on the covers, we're singing old Tennessee Ernie Ford song. I don't know if anybody know Tennessee Ernie Ford. He's got that big, deep Tom Waits sound. The original of the Tom Waits sound, if you will. People say that they're made of love. Yep. A minor, B minor, C minor. I keep you in C, keep you on your toes. morning fun. Thumbs me down morning fun. Scared fun and Muslim bone. Mind that sweet fun, like that strong zone. 6 months I want it again. A little light and deeper and down. So meaning up to come here cause I can't go. Down my soul to the company so hey! When the sun ain't shining, feel myself the wind and the burn. 16 tons of the number 9 cold. Oh, I said, woohoo, bless my soul. Hey, 16 tons, I want it again. A little light deeper and down. Feeding up to call me cause I can't go. On my soul to the company store. Hey! Well, if you see me coming right at stop sign, vitamin A and a vitamin dime. A handful of iron in the other one still. The right hand don't catch you. The left one will, hey! 16 tons come running again. A little light and deeper and down. Speeding up to call me cause I can't go. On my soul to the company store. Hey!
It looks real good over there.
Every once in a while, my number 2 will get like an Energizer bunny. Somebody will pull a string on him, and he don't know when to quit. And I love him for it. I love him for it.
And you look best over. No, don't go. I'm doing it too.
Now, many moons ago, I made the genius financial decision of obtaining a bachelor's degree in chemistry. Now that I'm a professional musician, and I hope you saw the quotation marks around professional. But now that I have chosen music as my profession, I've only retained a few things from that degree. So during this song, you will hear the might of your tax dollars utilized through the GI Bill. And then we're going to turn the diametric left turn. For those of you who are not chemistry majors, a diametric turn is 180 degrees in the opposite direction. We're going to take a diametric left turn, and we're going to see why Jack doesn't use his degree. Ready? 3.14151725609. 7350497135902. 735141653560984. If I try my hardest and I'm sorry, that's all I can remember about for. Hey! Saturday night at Heinz and nobody sitting at my phone. So I'm out to hit a face of cans again, 20 in my doggone phone. Got to buy me some sunscreen, so I'm hot and all of my friends. Got to buy me some sunscreen, and I gotta find something in it. Should've said no. Should've stayed at home. But it's not like I'm gonna take so much time. Wake up in the morning and phone. Should've said no. Should've said just leave me alone. I don't think I'm gonna take so much time. Wake up in the morning and phone.
Just be cold and natural. And you're all in it. You guys are all in it. He's a big key right here.
Feeling out of good things. I've got a pretty hole in my pocket there. And all the boys thinking around was kitchen and bed. Don't get messed up tonight, mess up, decision was clear. She said no, should stay at home. Much nothing gonna fix my tonight. Yeah, wake up in the morning. Should've said no. Should've said just leave me alone. Much nothing gonna fix my tonight. Yeah, wake up in the morning. Oh, oh. Drink out a pit and rum in the trunk. Feeling got a groovy, feeling got a high, feeling up and down and low. And you know I'm gonna get myself in, try to fucking drive home, I suppose. Should've said no. Should've stayed at home. Looks know that I drank too much and I'm about to wake up in the morning phone. Should've said no. Should've said just leave me alone. Much know that I drank too much tonight. I'm about to wake up in the morning phone. Oh, oh. Sunday morning, rising sun gets through the window pane. Just some light on my head, okay, I think I walk up in the county again. But I know I don't hear that, I hope they let me out real soon. Cause I'm this way one more time, now you better know me for no. Should've said no. Should've said no. But you know I take a glass of rain, I'm about to wake up this morning bone. Should've said no. Should've said no. My pick! You take a 10-second intermission while I fetch my drunken pick.
There, you tried this first. In your mind, oh, oh, on my journey, never we are again. Having glasses never expire time. Say illusion that you hold my friend. Illusion just in your mind, never different. Anything is never different. It's how it seems to me, never different. Anything is never different. I've never been. Oh.
find a pace to ride. Even illusions and float through ether. Feel the illusions up in my mind. Got to find me way up out of this hole. Ain't gonna find a way. And I said to stay away through the world. I'm looking for me a place to play. Oh, live my life. In the end, never matter. I was never matter. In the end, never matter. Never matter. Down, trucks whipping, the brain comes back to full. Body aches now, my grip is at its end. Can't find my way out of this bowl. And I'm sleepy, got to take a nap. Gave me another hit. If you ever let it ever bounce at the shit, it never matters. In the end, never matters. Never matters. In the end, never matters. Little new song, something nobody's ever heard before. How do I know nobody's ever heard before? Because he wrote it.
Well, that's mangled now.
Yeah, sure, I'm about prison. I'm stuck here till I die. In a chain rolling, put my head down low and gone. I was just a baby. Mama told me, son, I was being a good boy, don't you? I'ma play with guns, but shot a man in rainbow. That's why I said, fuck her, die. Hey, that's my part of the song, you know, where'd that come from? My band, when I hit a chain of rolling, no, put my head down low and cry. Come on and play, baby. Well, on that fancy train now, as this diamond comes, as these people telling jokes and smoking Mexican. Well, no, I can't be free now. I'm stuck here till I die. When I hear a train rolling, oh, we knew we got. You got one more in you. Now, it seems to me to be appropriate. First and foremost, who out here is watching time? Because I will just sit here and play music until the sun goes down. So, generally, when you guys get tired of me playing, just start throwing all your empty beer cans, all your empty wine bottles, all your unwanted kittens, all your dirty money, all your drugs, all of your car keys, whatever you don't want, throw it at me. I'll get the hint, put it in my pocket, and run away. We'll play raw. Well, now, the thing is, we have the occasion tonight to be playing on a dairy farm. Now, I'm a New Yorker by trade, but I had some chance to stop down to Texas, and one of the things that I figured out is that cows do not get along with black people. Just kind of a thing. So, I'm inherently terrified to be out here, just by a little bit. But if there's one song, and one song only, that should be played on a dairy farm, I think it's this one. See, I was gonna do a big explosive intro there, but my number two unplugged himself.
Those streams swollen, even though he's rolling right. You're hiding into my life, haven't done it ever. Wishing my baby was by my side. You know all the things I'm missing, jungle loves and kissing. We'll be waiting at the end of my ride. Ha! Move it, head up, move on, head up, rawhide. Move it, head up, move on. And on and rawhide. So proving it is moving right. Don't try to understand no, don't make it brand new. Pretty soon we're riding high and dry. Yeah, I've been calculating, baby we'll be waiting. Lean on me at the end of my ride. Ha! Move it!
I think we got about 3 more in us. Now, what those 3 songs are could be a magical mystery to all of us here soon. We'll try Hallelujah. It worked for you. It doesn't matter if it worked for me. I sing this shit every day. all right. So, all right. There was a song I was gonna sing. I was just playing it. But have you ever had one of those moments where the sun is at the right angle in the sky, and the wind is blowing at the right frequency, and people are talking, and nobody's there? D? Go ahead. Miss Ash, aren't you next? Aren't you next? This is you. You should come jam with us. What? Oh, thank you. You're so sweet. I love you too. I think I'm gonna play one more song and kind of relinquish to you, darling. All right. All right. So now, I think we're gonna call this our last song. There's a lot of technology going on here that's frustrating. And there's a very beautiful lady coming up very after us, directly after us. A beautiful lady with a beautiful dog. And we're gonna let her play, because she wants to do this. So, there you go. Good try. All right, ladies and gentlemen. We're good. All right, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jack. This is Nick. We are Granite Apples. Thank you for being patient with us. Please give it up for the lovely and beautiful Miss Ash, who should be playing directly after us. If I read the schedule correctly, but I'm a musician, so I don't really read all that well. I fake it all right, though. So I faked it through a bachelor's degree. Thank you for being patient with us, y'all. Milk Fest! Ow!